अरे सब
Hey everyone, it's your favorite social media influencer here, ready to bring you the latest updates and trending topics. Today, let's talk about some recent global events that have been making headlines. In the past week, tensions have escalated between Israel and various militant groups. Reports suggest that Israel's forces have been engaging in intense conflict against non-state actors, resulting in casualties and damage. The Israeli media has reported that several individuals who were missing following IDF operations have been found deceased, while a number of militants attempting to cross from Lebanon were targeted in a drone attack. Israel's military has been relentlessly targeting Hamas in Gaza, which resulted in the deaths of Israeli soldiers and numerous civilians at a music festival. According to the Palestinian Ministry of Health, 2,269 people have lost their lives in Israeli attacks, including high-profile figures and thousands of injured individuals. Israel claims that its military has suffered significant losses as well, with approximately 1,300 servicemen losing their lives since the surprise attacks began. In another part of the world, Russia has recently showcased its capabilities through large-scale exercises and a retaliatory nuclear strike. Images and videos have surfaced, demonstrating Russia's proficiency in launching missiles from land, sea, and air. The Kremlin emphasized that these exercises also include the ability to launch missiles from submerged positions and hit targets at long distances. Nearby regions felt the impact of these powerful explosions, with a nuclear power plant experiencing significant vibrations. The International Atomic Energy Agency reported temporary disruptions in electricity supply caused by the explosions but assured the public that there are no safety concerns related to the facility's connections or off-site radiation monitoring stations. The Russian government highlighted that these exercises were conducted to test their own defensive capabilities against potential nuclear attacks. Their display of retaliatory nuclear strikes served as a warning message and showcased Russia's ability to defend itself if necessary. The official statement also mentioned conversations between Mr. Sergei Shoigu, Russia's Minister of Defense, and President Vladimir Putin during which the exercises were discussed. The statement confirmed that a nuclear missile successfully hit its target in a Yars intercontinental ballistic missile training area. Additionally, cruise missiles launched from the Tu-95 Mega Siemens strategic bombers, capable of hitting targets at long distances, were also tested. However, it is important to note that cruise missiles fired into space were destroyed. These developments come after Parliament unanimously approved legislation to withdraw from the country's commitment to the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, citing coordinated actions with the United States. Russia clarified that it has no intention to resume nuclear testing until the US takes similar steps. As a social media influencer, my goal is to inform and engage with you on important global events. Feel free to share your thoughts and opinions on these updates in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more trending topics and exciting content. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for daily updates. Until next time, #global news #trending topics.